As today we are going to discuss about something called coordinate system for antenna measurement, right? See here, uh, it is nothing but our coordinate system, right? I mean, it is quite typical to understand. See here, it is nothing but our coordinate system, and also what we have placed here is nothing but a antenna, right? We can consider these antennas AUT, antenna under test, right? See here, I have placed this AUT at the center, and also from the center we have something called Z axis and Y axis and also X axis, right? See here, this was a circle what I defined with a red color, right? Which has a boundary or circle, it is quite horizontally, and also this is one of the circle what you seeing here, right? Background we have some dotted lines, right? I mean, this is nothing but a one of the circle, and this red color path is nothing but a one of the circle. One is vertically and another is horizontally, right? See here, and also we are seeing something called here a red color, right? These circle or these arc we can consider it as conical cuts, right? I mean, the signal quite passing from this arc we can consider, I mean, third signal will be cutted here, right? Automatical third cuts we can call it as conical cuts, right? And also see here, it has quite defining like red and blue, right? It is also one of the circle, we may call it as great circle cut. If the signal is quite cutting from here, I mean cutting from this particular circle, automatically we can say it as great circle cuts, right? Great circle cuts, right? See here, the angle measured from the z axis is called as elevation angle. The angle measured from the z axis, because z axis is quite vertically, right? Or it is called as elevation angle. I mean, vertical angle is nothing but we can call it as elevation also. Elevation, right? Elevation going upside, right? Or we can consider it as vertical angle also, right? I mean, the angle measured from the z axis is called as elevation angle, and it is denoted by theta, what we have seen in here, right? Already we have seen here theta, right? And also the angle measured from horizontal xy plane is called as azimuth angle, or else we can call it as horizontal angle also. I mean, another name of horizontal angle or horizontal is nothing but azimuthal or azimuth angle, right? Which is denoted by pi. Which is denoted by pi. What you seeing it? Pi is equals to, we can consider it as 90 degrees. What? 90 degrees, right? Depending upon the mechanical structure of the antenna, the coordinate system is defined such a way that the peak radiation takes place along the x-axis. See here, some of the radiations is taking place here, right? These are nothing but we can consider it as a main lobe, right? Main lobe means automatically we can consider the peak radiations is going through one direction, right? I mean, it is defined in such a way that the peak radiations takes place along the x-axis. And also see here, when the source antenna is moving along the lines of the constant theta, the cuts obtained are called conical cuts. Constant theta, see here, the theta can be represented at z-axis side, right? This conical circle is also quite defined at z-axis side, right? When the signals are quite cuts this particular conical circle, automatically the signal cut is nothing but we can consider as conical cuts, because here we can consider it as a conical circle or a conical cut, right? And also when the source antenna is moving along the constant pi, then the cuts obtained as great circle cuts. If the constant theta, I mean here see, when it has a constant theta and the cuts are nothing but conical cuts, when it is defined in such a way that it is quite moving along the pi, right? Automatically the cuts obtained as Great circle cuts, right? It is quite important. Go through it. Thank you.